Hi, this is Josh with a math tutorial on how to graph with your TI-84 Plus CE color calculator using TI SmartView. And today I'm going to share two different methods to calculate the integral. So as you're working with first year calculus, this is a very good tool to support your learning. The first method we'll do is with the calculator, we'll go to the graphing functions. And in the first line, here at y1, the first equation, I'll just enter a basic function. Here we'll do a parabola, y equals x squared. And here it is graphed. And here they have this triple display on the right. There is one technical point here on the window. I changed the setting here for the y. So the domain is from -10 and 10, but y is 30 because we're going to integrate from -5 to 5, and 5 squared is 25, so we'll get a good picture when we graph this. Here, let me go to the graph quickly. So remember, the geometric interpretation here of the integral is the area under the curve from -5 to 5. So it'll be this area here above the x-axis. So there is a function for this. You do second trace, the calculate menu comes up, and it is 7, the integral of f of x dx. You hit enter, and then we need to trace over for the lower limit. So again, we're going to start the integral here at -5. Hit enter once, and then slide along up to the upper limit will be 5. Hit enter, and the calculator automatically will color in these two wedge shapes together, have a total area of, the integral from -5 to 5 is 83.333, so 83 1/3. And then if I put the graphs, there it is on the right. And here are some table of local values, and it's just set with the integer steps. And done. Another way to follow up on your work when you're working with integrals is to, let's go back to the regular calculator settings, is there's the menu, you hit the button Math, it's over here, and then choice 9 for function integrals, it's right there. And then a template comes up. And so when you enter the values, make sure you use negative down here 5 so that the calculator will not give you an error message. And then enter the function here and differentiating with respect to x. And then calculator will also compute for you that the true area under the curve, just like we did with this graphing method, is 83 1/3. Another nice function with the thing this calculator can do, hit the math button again, and then it can take your answer and it'll just convert it into a fraction. And 83 1/3 is the same as 250 divided by 3. So there are two nice methods when you're learning calculus and you're learning this anti-differentiation, when you're learning to integrate. So it's term by term with these polynomials, but just make sure that you can just double check your work and your answers with these two different methods on the graphing calculator. Thanks for watching, and happy studying. And I'll be doing more tutorials with the TI-84 Plus CE calculator. And thanks for watching.